Hey everyone, back with another easy keto recipe. We've got a cheesy beef hot dish, and this will serve 2 to 4 people. Here's what you will need. 1 pound of ground beef, Velveeta cheese, either in the fresh packs like I got there or the block, a bag of the frozen riced cauliflower, pink salt and pepper, a fry pan and spatula, and also I forgot to throw it in the pitcher, so I did here, a thing of the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Start by turning your stove on a heat a little higher than medium, and in your fry pan, put all of the ground beef. It's a 1 pound package. Break it up into bite-sized pieces. Sprinkle over it heavily pink salt and pepper and go ahead and let it cook up. While that's cooking, let's heat up our cauliflower rice in the microwave. My microwave takes 6 minutes. Every microwave will vary. And you'll see I just got the picture of it going here of it in the microwave. Then when your ground beef is all done, you've been stirring it, mixing it, chopping it up. When it's all done, let's go ahead and make our recipe. So you're going to take your heated riced cauliflower, the whole bag. It's a 12-ounce bag. Pour that over the ground beef. And then you're going to take 2 packs of those fresh packs of the Velveeta or 4 ounces of Velveeta. And then a half cup of the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You want to take your spatula and kind of break up the cheese, but add over it heavily pink salt and pepper. There's where you're going to break it up there. And then give it a good stir. Cover it and let it heat on the same heat. It's a little higher than medium, like I said in the beginning. Once it's all been stirred and ooey gooey and delicious, it'll look like this, and it's ready to serve up. Definitely give this recipe a try. It's absolutely delicious. The whole pan was 12 net carbs. I'm eating half the serving there, and that's only 6 net carbs. Definitely try this out for your family. Your children will love it. It was easy and delicious. Always keep it keto.